This video speaks to site engineering optimization, SEO, and this is a proposal I use. I started making videos on YouTube about 14 years ago. I have 14 videos of songs I've written, covers of original songs, HVAC information, personal opinions, how to make alcohol, all now 2,500. So I decided to see if I could make a little money on YouTube by monetizing it. So since I don't know how to monetize, I went online and asked for help. And I ended up hiring 5 different monetization managers. Had many others approach me also. Peculiarly, all these managers were all young females, in their 20s, early 30s. It seemed like they knew what they were doing. In fact, I hired 5 of them and actually gave them about 10 videos each to work on at a fair amount of cost. I probably spent about $3,500, maybe $4,000 Canadian. But what I learned helps me quite a bit. Now, before we go any further, I must say, Jesus Christ, I've gotten fat as I got older. I'm 77 years old now. Anyway, I thought I'd make a few bucks since I paid so much money trying to learn this business. I offer a service to optimize your YouTube channels at a cost of $10 US per video. $5 to be paid at the start and $5 to be paid at completion. I need to be paid by PayPal or CIBC eInteract to tomdonjany@gmail.com. I am retired in a wheelchair and have a great deal of time. For those of you who have a YouTube site and want to monetize, unless you have a lot of money or a lot of time, you can do it yourself. As I said, I did hire 5 SEOs to help educate myself. Then I checked to see what they actually did. They all did partial optimization, but not one did it all, and it cost on the average about $20 per video. So I started doing myself. In a short time, my views and watch hours are increasing greatly, and I see me reaching monetization within the next 6 to 8 months. The work to be done on each video to do SEO. First, there's a site title. Make sure your site title has your keyword and at least one related hashtag site. The more you can fit in, the better. The title area only has room for 100 letters maximum. Capitalize the first letter of each word with a hashtag at the front and no spaces between words. It is easier to read. And if there are spaces, Google will not read it. Then there's a description section. Make sure the description has your keyword and other related words. So make sure you use the keyword for your title. Make sure the description has hashtags. 10 hashtags at maximum. Any more is wasted. Also fit in a keyword or two. Thumbnail. The thumbnail is the third part of the front page. Include a thumbnail picture of interest, usually a picture of yourself. This is important. Go into your system and download a picture of you that can be downloaded to your YouTube video. In this case, I could use this, and this is going straight to my computer. And from that computer, I can download it to YouTube video. If you hire someone, you will have to grant them or me access to your YouTube channel by temporarily making me a site manager. At completion, remove me or whoever as the site manager. This is easy to do on YouTube. They'll walk you through it. Just Google it. If of interest, or you simply want to check me out, contact me. If you go to my YouTube site, which is http://www.youtube, com/TIG-E9. You can Google this for Tom Donjney and you'll get that site address given to you. Thanks for your interest. Now, to make sure that I'm a straightforward, honest fellow, you can contact me at any time. Tom Donjney, TOMDONTIGNY. Email is tomdontig, TOMDONTIG, @gmail.com. My hardline phone, and that's all I use because I'm in a wheelchair now and can't get out, is 1-613-623-2755. I live at 261 John Street North, Arnprior, Ontario, Canada, K7S2P3. I hope this is of interest to you. I will post a video on my YouTube site containing all this information. Thanks for your time, and goodbye now.